Is that old dog slipping around on you, biting the kitties and chewing your shoes, chasing those cars and barking all night? Then he runs down the street and gets into a fight. Bad dog.
Bad dog.
Aggravating, hole digging, trash thieving, canine curse.
Bad dog.
It kinda makes you wonder what he'll think of next, and you're hoping it won't get any worse. Well, training is the answer for that unruly beast. Let him give you his paw instead of his teeth. You both feel better when he's acting right. There'll be owners and pets who can both sleep at night. Bad dog.
Bad dog.
Aggravating, hole digging, trash thieving, canine curse.
Bad dog.